Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today a 2009 Toyota RAV4 stock number 7042. Transformer 11 2005 to 11 2012. This is a 2A ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2A ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 7-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 7-inch steel wheel tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 7-inch steel wheel tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front 7-inch steel wheel tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,